샴푸가 떨어졌어요.
We're out of shampoo.
We're out of shampoo.
We're out of shampoo.
신용카드 한도액을 초과했어요.
I maxed out my credit card.
I maxed out my credit card.
I maxed out my credit card.
행복하시길 빌어요.
I wish you all happiness. I wish you all happiness. I wish you all happiness.
그는 가을을 타.
He gets sentimental in the fall.
He gets sentimental in the fall.
He gets sentimental in the fall.
그의 신념에 동의해.
I'll go along with his belief.
I'll go along with his belief.
I'll go along with his belief.
친구들과 약속 있어.
I have an appointment with my friends.
I have an appointment with my friends.
I have an appointment with my friends.
나쁜 꿈 꿨어요?
Did you have a bad dream?
Did you have a bad dream?
Did you have a bad dream?
깜빡 잊어버렸어요.
It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind.
그거 좋은 생각 같아요.
That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea.
오늘 날씨 어때요?
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
넌 참 부지런하구나.
You're so diligent.
You're so diligent.
You're so diligent.
여기서 멀어?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
얼마나 자주 와요?
How often do you come?
How often do you come?
How often do you come?
종이를 한 장 꺼내세요.
Take out a piece of paper.
Take out a piece of paper.
Take out a piece of paper.
그건 꿈도 꾸지 않았어.
I wouldn't dream of it.
I wouldn't dream of it.
I wouldn't dream of it.
내일 약속 있어요?
Do you have an appointment tomorrow?
Do you have an appointment tomorrow?
Do you have an appointment tomorrow?
계좌 이체를 하고 싶습니다.
I'd like to make a transfer. I'd like to make a transfer. I'd like to make a transfer.
미술관 가볼까?
Shall we go to the art museum?
Shall we go to the art museum?
Shall we go to the art museum?
여기 얼룩이 지워질까요?
Can you get this stain out?
Can you get this stain out?
Can you get this stain out?
전화 못해서 죄송합니다.
I am sorry for not calling.
I am sorry for not calling.
I am sorry for not calling.
저를 도와줄 수 있어요?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
내가 너라면 나갈 거야.
If I were you, I'd go out.
If I were you, I'd go out.
If I were you, I'd go out.
이 시간에 문 연 식당이 있나요?
Is there a restaurant open at this time? Is there a restaurant open at this time? Is there a restaurant open at this time?
준비되었나요?
Are you ready for this?
Are you ready for this?
Are you ready for this?
작지만 깨끗해요.
It's small but clean. It's small but clean. It's small but clean.
우리 형은 변호사예요.
My older brother is a lawyer.
My older brother is a lawyer.
My older brother is a lawyer.
회사에서 무슨 일을 해요?
What do you do at your company? What do you do at your company? What do you do at your company?
이걸 좀 더 주세요.
Please give me a little more of this.
Please give me a little more of this.
Please give me a little more of this.
내 눈에 흙이 들어가기까진 안 돼.
Over my dead body.
Over my dead body.
Over my dead body.
보고 싶어요.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
알레르기가 있어요?
Do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
오늘은 제가 설거지를 할게요.
I'll do the dishes today.
I'll do the dishes today.
I'll do the dishes today.
첫눈에 반했어요.
I fell in love at first sight. I fell in love at first sight. I fell in love at first sight.
무료 조식이 있나요?
Is there free breakfast? Is there free breakfast? Is there free breakfast?
배불러요.
I'm full.
I'm full.
I'm full.
물 마실래?
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
아직 미정입니다.
It's up in the air.
It's up in the air.
It's up in the air.
당신을 위해 선물을 하나 샀어요.
I bought a present for you.
I bought a present for you.
I bought a present for you.
원샷입니다.
Bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
아직 아침 메뉴 주문할 수 있습니까?
Can I still order breakfast?
Can I still order breakfast?
Can I still order breakfast?
넌 그 단어를 사용하면 안 돼.
You're not supposed to use that word.
You're not supposed to use that word.
You're not supposed to use that word.
독감에 걸린 것 같아요.
I think I have the flu.
I think I have the flu.
I think I have the flu.
감기가 유행이네요.
There's a cold going around.
There's a cold going around.
There's a cold going around.
기분이 좋아 보여요.
You look happy.
You look happy.
You look happy.
야근 식후에 드세요.
Take your medicine after meals.
Take your medicine after meals.
Take your medicine after meals.
샌드위치는 어떤 게 있습니까?
What kind of sandwiches do you have?
What kind of sandwiches do you have?
What kind of sandwiches do you have?
그녀의 결정을 따를게.
I'll go along with her decision.
I'll go along with her decision.
I'll go along with her decision.
공짜 커피 마시려고 왔어요.
I'm here to drink free coffee.
I'm here to drink free coffee.
I'm here to drink free coffee.
스파게티는 어때?
How about spaghetti?
How about spaghetti?
How about spaghetti?
이 팜플렛을 받을 수 있습니까?
Can I have this pamphlet?
Can I have this pamphlet?
Can I have this pamphlet?
밥을 먹어요.
I eat a meal.
I eat a meal.
I eat a meal.
이걸 어떻게 받아들여야 할지 잘 모르겠습니다.
I don't know how to take this.
I don't know how to take this.
I don't know how to take this.
허브티 마실래?
Do you want some herbal tea?
Do you want some herbal tea?
Do you want some herbal tea?
권투 어떻게 하는지 아세요?
Do you know how to box?
Do you know how to box?
Do you know how to box?
낚시에 관심 있어요?
Are you interested in fishing?
Are you interested in fishing?
Are you interested in fishing?
두고 보자.
Let's wait and see.
Let's wait and see.
Let's wait and see.
여기 있는 것 좀 보여주세요.
Please show me this one over here. Please show me this one over here. Please show me this one over here.
그것은 저한테 맡겨주세요.
Leave that to me.
Leave that to me.
Leave that to me.
질문을 들어보세요.
Listen to the question.
Listen to the question.
Listen to the question.
그럴 줄 알았어.
That figures. That figures. That figures.
다시 한번 생각해봐요.
Think twice.
Think twice.
Think twice.
몇 시에 학교에 도착해요?
What time do you arrive at school?
What time do you arrive at school?
What time do you arrive at school?
저 사람 너무 멋있어요.
That guy is really cool.
That guy is really cool.
That guy is really cool.
우리는 나이가 같아요.
We are the same age.
We are the same age.
We are the same age.
저는 커피를 안 마셔요.
I don't drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
이것은 가죽 제품인가요?
Is this leather?
Is this leather?
Is this leather?
내가 그것을 어떻게 말하는지 들어보세요.
Listen to how I say it.
Listen to how I say it.
Listen to how I say it.
영화 보고 싶어요.
I want to watch a movie.
I want to watch a movie.
I want to watch a movie.
전 빈털털이에요.
I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke.
무엇으로 지불하시겠습니까?
How do you want to pay?
How do you want to pay?
How do you want to pay?
우유가 아니에요.
It's not milk.
It's not milk.
It's not milk.
뭐가 있어요?
What do you have?
What do you have?
What do you have?
사이즈가 맞지 않습니다.
The size doesn't fit.
The size doesn't fit.
The size doesn't fit.
밖에 나가요.
Go outside.
Go outside.
Go outside.
녹차가 있습니까?
Do you have green tea?
Do you have green tea?
Do you have green tea?
질문 있나요?
Any questions?
Any questions?
Any questions?
무엇을 말하고 싶어요?
What do you want to say?
What do you want to say?
What do you want to say?
그녀는 사업으로 성공했어.
She succeeded in business.
She succeeded in business.
She succeeded in business.
이 자리 좀 맡아주세요.
Please save this seat for me.
Please save this seat for me.
Please save this seat for me.
어떤 영화 좋아해요?
What kind of movies do you like?
What kind of movies do you like?
What kind of movies do you like?
이 버스는 도착지가 어디인가요?
Where is this bus go?
Where is this bus go?
Where is this bus go?
필름이 끊겼어요.
I blacked out.
I blacked out.
I blacked out.
공원에서 사진을 찍을 거예요.
I'm going to take pictures in the park.
I'm going to take pictures in the park.
I'm going to take pictures in the park.
얼마 동안 한국에 있을 거예요?
How long will you be in Korea?
How long will you be in Korea?
How long will you be in Korea?
그는 그녀를 안 좋아해.
He doesn't like her.
He doesn't like her.
He doesn't like her.
시내 지도가 있습니까?
Do you have any city maps?
Do you have any city maps?
Do you have any city maps?
콘서트는 어땠어요?
How was the concert?
How was the concert?
How was the concert?
무슨 요리하니?
What do you cook?
What do you cook?
What do you cook?
아무도 그것을 만들 수 없어.
Nobody can make that. Nobody can make that. Nobody can make that.
병원비도 너무 비싸.
Hospital expenses are too expensive, too.
Hospital expenses are too expensive, too.
Hospital expenses are too expensive, too.
그는 좋은 사람이에요.
He is a good person.
He is a good person.
He is a good person.
가장 하고 싶은 것은 뭐예요?
What do you want to do most?
What do you want to do most?
What do you want to do most?
소금 좀 빌릴 수 있을까요?
Can I borrow your salt?
Can I borrow your salt?
Can I borrow your salt?
소금 좀 갖다 주세요.
Please bring me some salt.
Please bring me some salt.
Please bring me some salt.
이 책을 빌리고 싶어요.
I'd like to check this book out. I'd like to check this book out. I'd like to check this book out.
집에 가기 전에 술 마실 거예요.
I'm going to drink before I go home.
I'm going to drink before I go home.
I'm going to drink before I go home.
은행은 몇 시에 닫아요?
What time does the bank close?
What time does the bank close?
What time does the bank close?
상사의 결정을 따를게.
I'll go along with the boss decisions.
I'll go along with the boss's decisions.
I'll go along with the boss decisions.
여기는 무료 주차장이에요.
This is a free parking lot.
This is a free parking lot.
This is a free parking lot.
집에 가면 안 돼요.
You can't go home.
You can't go home.
You can't go home.
그 안에 고기가 들어있나요?
Is there meat in that?
Is there meat in that?
Is there meat in that?
통장을 만들고 싶어요.
I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
식사라도 한번 같이 하시지 않겠어요?
Why don't we get something to eat sometime?
Why don't we get something to eat sometime?
Why don't we get something to eat sometime?
진짜 운동했어요.
I really worked out.
I really worked out.
I really worked out.
차 있어요?
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car?
팔에 감각이 없어요.
My arms are numb.
My arms are numb.
My arms are numb.
잠에서 깨면 뭐해?
What do you do when you wake up?
What do you do when you wake up?
What do you do when you wake up?
저는 초보 운전자예요.
I'm a new driver.
I'm a new driver.
I'm a new driver.
당신과 대화하는 게 기대돼요.
I'm looking forward to talking with you.
I'm looking forward to talking with you.
I'm looking forward to talking with you.
게임할 시간입니다.
It's time to play the game.
It's time to play the game.
It's time to play the game.
도서관 갈 사람?
Who wants to go to the library?
Who wants to go to the library?
Who wants to go to the library?
지금 배가 너무 고파.
I can eat a horse right now.
I can eat a horse right now.
I can eat a horse right now.
저는 중국에 살아요.
I live in China.
I live in China.
I live in China.
나도 할 수 있으면 좋을 텐데.
I wish I could do that.
I wish I could do that.
I wish I could do that.
이름이 뭐예요?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
어떤 사이즈를 입으시나요?
What size do you wear?
What size do you wear?
What size do you wear?
시간 좀 때우자.
Let's kill some time.
Let's kill some time.
Let's kill some time.
오늘 바쁘지 않은 사람 있나요?
Is there anyone who is not busy today?
Is there anyone who is not busy today?
Is there anyone who is not busy today?
조심해서 해.
Easy does it.
Easy does it.
Easy does it.
전 말이 별로 없어요.
I am a person of few words.
I am a person of few words.
I am a person of few words.
이제 너가 승진했으니 더 열심히 일해.
Now that you've been promoted, work harder.
Now that you've been promoted, work harder.
Now that you've been promoted, work harder.
저축해서 돈을 모을래.
I'll save up and save money.
I'll save up and save money.
I'll save up and save money.
난 유럽도 가고 싶어.
I want to go to Europe.
I want to go to Europe.
I want to go to Europe.
이게 제일 좋아요.
This is the best one.
This is the best one.
This is the best one.
돈가스를 좋아해.
My favorite food is a pork cutlet.
My favorite food is a pork cutlet.
My favorite food is a pork cutlet.
스시 먹을까?
Shall we have sushi?
Shall we have sushi?
Shall we have sushi?
그녀의 말을 따를게.
I'll go along with her.
I'll go along with her.
I'll go along with her.
그 말 뜻을 아니?
Do you know what that means?
Do you know what that means?
Do you know what that means?
언제부터 아팠어요?
When did you fall ill?
When did you fall ill?
When did you fall ill?
커피를 마시면 잠이 안 와요.
I can't sleep when I drink coffee.
I can't sleep when I drink coffee.
I can't sleep when I drink coffee.
김치가 어때요? 맛있어요.
How do you like kimchi? It's delicious.
How do you like kimchi? It's delicious.
How do you like kimchi? It's delicious.
여기는 어디인가요?
Where is this?
Where is this?
Where is this?
책을 덮으세요.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
너가 그렇게 했다니 믿을 수 없어.
I can't believe you did that.
I can't believe you did that.
I can't believe you did that.
그런 말 하지 마.
Don't say that.
Don't say that.
Don't say that.
이메일로 연락주세요.
Send me an email.
Send me an email.
Send me an email.
드디어 해냈어.
I'm finished.
I'm finished.
I'm finished.
그 원피스를 사야 하니?
Do you have to buy that dress?
Do you have to buy that dress?
Do you have to buy that dress?
이것 좀 드시겠어요?
Would you like to try some?
Would you like to try some?
Would you like to try some?
남편 찾으러 왔어요.
I'm here to find a husband.
I'm here to find a husband.
I'm here to find a husband.
계란은 어떻게 해드릴까요?
How would you like your eggs?
How would you like your eggs?
How would you like your eggs?
지금 무엇을 하고 싶어요?
What do you want to do now?
What do you want to do now?
What do you want to do now?
제가 당신을 어떻게 불러야 되나요?
What would you like to be called?
What would you like to be called?
What would you like to be called?
저는 세수예요.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
당근을 씻어야 돼.
I need to wash the carrots.
I need to wash the carrots.
I need to wash the carrots.
가고 싶어요.
I want to go.
I want to go.
I want to go.
집에 있었어요.
I stayed at home.
I stayed at home.
I stayed at home.
양말을 뒤집어 놓지 마세요.
Don't leave your socks inside out.
Don't leave your socks inside out.
Don't leave your socks inside out.
이 하나가 썩었어요.
One of your teeth was rotten.
One of your teeth was rotten.
One of your teeth was rotten.
얼마나 걸릴까요?
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
저도 몰라요.
I don't know, either.
I don't know, either.
I don't know, either.
대답을 하세요.
Give the answer.
Give the answer.
Give the answer.
한국 문화에 관심 있으세요?
Are you interested in Korean culture?
Are you interested in Korean culture?
Are you interested in Korean culture?
김치를 잘 먹어요?
Do you eat kimchi well?
Do you eat kimchi well?
Do you eat kimchi well?
차 좀 태워줄 수 있어요?
Can I get a ride?
Can I get a ride?
Can I get a ride?
언제 떠나고 싶으세요?
When would you like to leave?
When would you like to leave?
When would you like to leave?
전 괜찮아요.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
난 영어 공부하는 것을 싫어해.
I don't like to study English.
I don't like to study English.
I don't like to study English.
치약이 조금 남았어.
There's a little toothpaste left.
There's a little toothpaste left.
There's a little toothpaste left.
학교는 몇 시에 끝나요?
What time do you usually finish school?
What time do you usually finish school?
What time do you usually finish school?
잘 듣고 있어요.
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears.
전 컴퓨터도 고칠 수 있어요.
I can fix computers as well.
I can fix computers as well.
I can fix computers as well.
그분을 바꿔드릴게요.
I'll put him on.
I'll put him on.
I'll put him on.
그녀는 그 돈으로 시계를 샀어.
She bought a watch with that money.
She bought a watch with that money.
She bought a watch with that money.
잠깐 기다려줘.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
나 어제부터 몸살이야.
I ache all over from yesterday.
I ache all over from yesterday.
I ache all over from yesterday.
이 사진에서 무엇이 보이나요?
What do you see in this picture?
What do you see in this picture?
What do you see in this picture?
쓰레기 좀 버려줘요.
Take out the garbage.
Take out the garbage.
Take out the garbage.
남은 음식은 냉장고에 넣어요.
Put the leftovers in the refrigerator.
Put the leftovers in the refrigerator.
Put the leftovers in the refrigerator.
식욕이 없어요.
I don't have much of an appetite.
I don't have much of an appetite.
I don't have much of an appetite.
오후에 커피 마셨어?
Did you drink coffee this afternoon?
Did you drink coffee this afternoon?
Did you drink coffee this afternoon?
직장 구할 수 있는 게 확실한가요?
Are you sure you can land a job?
Are you sure you can land a job?
Are you sure you can land a job?
전화 받으시는 분은 누구세요?
Who am I talking to?
Who am I talking to?
Who am I talking to?
택시 타자.
Let's take a taxi.
Let's take a taxi.
Let's take a taxi.
무료예요.
It's free of charge.
It's free of charge.
It's free of charge.
소금과 후추 좀 빌릴 수 있을까요?
Can I borrow your salt and pepper?
Can I borrow your salt and pepper?
Can I borrow your salt and pepper?
저는 회사원이에요.
I am an office worker.
I am an office worker.
I am an office worker.
이거 할 줄 알아요?
Do you know how to do this?
Do you know how to do this?
Do you know how to do this?
그저 그래요.
So.
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 나를 사랑하나요?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
얼른 여길 떠나자.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
이번 여름에 어디로 갈 거예요?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
무료 지도가 있어요?
Do you have a free map?
Do you have a free map?
Do you have a free map?
그 일을 할 겁니까?
Are you going to take that job?
Are you going to take that job?
Are you going to take that job?
이것은 삶은 것입니까? 구운 것입니까?
Is that boiled or grilled?
Is that boiled or grilled?
Is that boiled or grilled?
둘 다 주세요.
Please give me both.
Please give me both.
Please give me both.
충치가 있어요.
I have a cavity.
I have a cavity.
I have a cavity.
그렇게 추측해요.
I guess so.
I guess so.
I guess so.
저녁 먹을 시간입니다.
It's time to have dinner.
It's time to have dinner.
It's time to have dinner.
내가 너라면 그를 도울 거야.
If I were you, I'd help him.
If I were you, I'd help him.
If I were you, I'd help him.
이것을 전자레인지에서 3분간 데우세요.
Warm this in the microwave for 3 minutes.
Warm this in the microwave for 3 minutes.
Warm this in the microwave for 3 minutes.
당신 먼저 하세요.
After you, please.
After you, please.
After you, please.
멋진 경관이야.
That's a nice view. That's a nice view. That's a nice view.
별일 없으시죠?
How is everything?
How is everything?
How is everything?
제가 전화 받을까요?
Do you want me to answer the phone?
Do you want me to answer the phone?
Do you want me to answer the phone?
왼편에 있어요.
It's to the left.
It's to the left.
It's to the left.
밥을 꼭꼭 씹어 먹어.
Please chew your rice well.
Please chew your rice well.
Please chew your rice well.
여기 제 명함이에요.
Here's my business card.
Here's my business card.
Here's my business card.
저녁 먹으러 나가자.
Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go out for dinner.
언제 행복해?
When are you happy?
When are you happy?
When are you happy?